As an NNTC Fiber Fast Internet customer, you have ultimate control over your bill by signing up for DIY Internet. Once you've filled out the form for DIY Internet to add to your account, you can set your internet limit using your NNTC Mobile App. If you haven't already, head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to download our app. Search for NNTC Mobile and download. You can either create an account using your last billing statement, or you can sign in using the same credentials as your online account. Once you're in your account, click Usage, and then click DIY Internet Control, and then choose your internet account. Here's where you can type in the number of gigabytes you want to set your limit. For example, if you want to make sure your internet bill is $100 or less for the month, you'll want to set your gigabyte limit at 500 gigabytes, which would be a $90 bill. You'll want to set it a little less because once your limit is reached, your internet speed will be throttled to less than 1 megabit per second. This will greatly reduce your online capabilities. You will still use data after you reach your limit, but the amount of data used will be reduced by at least 85%. Once you set your limit, the app will prompt you to turn on the alerts so you know when you've reached certain percentages of the overall limit. Turn them off and on as you see fit using the sliders. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to enter a cell phone number for text message alerts and then an email address for email alerts. You will see your internet limit listed next to your internet service name. If you reach your limit and decide you don't want to throttle your speed, adjust your limit to a higher number. You can change your internet limit as often as you like. Just be aware, once you hit your limit, you can still use data. It will not shut down your internet in its entirety. If you have questions about DIY Internet, feel free to call our toll-free number at 888-397-4321 or email us at nntc@nntc.net.